Global styling allows you to change your colors and your typography connected to global styling in just a few clicks across your website. Here I have a specific scheme. You can see I have green and I have orange, and then I have used specific fonts. And I've tied these into global styling. The global styling is accessed from the sidebar on the left, where you see the little paintbrush that says styling. At the top, you have presets, and these are colors and typography assigned to a specific preset. You can cycle through them and look how quickly your website updates with these presets, giving you a little bit of an idea of what else you can do with the website. The colors are locked in here with these swatches below and the typography presets below that. If you want to bring in your custom, choose one of the styles to change, and then you can bring in a hex code for the color, or you can go ahead and just make the color changes as you see fit. Typography is divided into various kinds of presets for heading 1, heading 2, and paragraph, and you'll change them on a one-by-one basis. If I want to go to notice serif for my paragraph, this will update everything on my page that is set to paragraphs. Observe this one over here. As I filter through various kinds of fonts, you can see how it updates in real time. Together with this, you can also make presets for the size, weight, line height, and letter spacing. And this not only applies to what you see on the desktop, but you can also select the tablet and the mobile device and then make those changes as presets for those displays as well. This way you go through all of these and you set them up exactly the way you want them to appear on your site for each and every of these various settings. You can add your own here at the bottom by clicking Add New and then set it up. Where you apply these is whenever you bring in a text element, it brings in placeholder text that is set under typography to the paragraph setting. From the drop-down, you will see everything is here and also those custom ones that you have created. So you can make changes here and you can change them out. And then, of course, if you need to update them at some point, you just go back to the global styling and update them there. Also note that the heading 1 to heading 6 comes with HTML tags that you can access on the settings within the text toolbar at HTML tag, and you can change them here if you needed to.